Here at Meal Prep Sunday, we strive to create the best meal prep service for our clients and help clients understand that they are our #1 priority to live a good to great lifestyle. This week, we want to show you our history, the reason why we started, our mission, and our team on how we provide the best service possible for our clients. On June 16th, 2016, we started with a single purpose: to bring a solution. To let people have a service to provide them with all the tools in their arsenal to achieve their fitness goals and live a happier, healthier lifestyle. Here are the 4 ideas that structured Meal Prep Sunday into what it is today. Number 1, we wanted to bring fully prepared meals with no delivery charge to our clients' doorstep to accommodate their busy lifestyle and save them time. Number 2, excel at providing a system to offer meals at top-tier quality for a lower cost to save everyone money. Number 3, we innovated an algorithm to calculate our clients' daily macronutrients needed to provide the meals that they are perfectly portioned for your goal, no matter your age and whether it's to burn fat, gain muscle, or have a healthy balance. Our team also provides a 90-day workout plan synced with our meals to make sure our clients get the best results they strive for. And lastly, we only use the highest quality ingredients prepared with our culinary experts designed for your specific lifestyle in order to fulfill the needed flavors while providing the necessary vitamins and minerals for a healthy way of living. These 4 objectives are what makes Meal Prep Sunday what it is today, and we still abide by these ideas with the force of our good to great culture to bring high caliber service for our clients. The second part we want to talk about this week is our culture. We have a good to great culture in each of our departments to make sure that our clients are our priority. Our IT department innovates our services by creating an app that will get our clients a better experience. Our purchasing department consistently improves the quality control of our ingredients by contacting a variety of local and nationwide suppliers, making sure our ingredients are in season so they can be as fresh as possible for your meals. The culinary department, which is in charge of our R&D, research and development, generates new ideas with different techniques every week to provide a top-tier service so that our clients can be excited about their meals and achieve their fitness goals. Next, the logistics department trains each of our drivers on how to properly handle each bag and make sure there is enough ice for a safe delivery. Finally, our system operations team processes each client's request following our standard operating procedures, which allows our clients to get the best results for their fitness goals. All of these examples are the products of our good to great culture because our clients come first. There are 4 missions that we want to accomplish here at Meal Prep Sunday. The first is improving our food chain system. By providing for our clients, we focus on helping the planet by purchasing our ingredients from local businesses. Second is providing quality products for our clients by shopping from local vendors that have the best production facilities for the ingredients we need. The third is to help our economy by buying locally for labor and businesses so our community will be financially healthy and strong. Our 4th and final mission is to provide a service to transform our clients' daily habits into a better lifestyle and create a reality for that good to great culture from all aspects of life. And last but not least, our team is the foundation of who we are. At Meal Prep Sunday, these are the people who make our good to great vision come to reality, giving our clients the best meal prep services they've ever seen. Starting from our IT manager innovating new ways to improve communication with our customers, our purchasing department getting us quality ingredients for your meals, our system operations processing our clients' requests daily, our culinary experts creating quality, healthy meals, our logistics team making efficient routes for our delivery drivers, to our marketing team educating you on why you should trust us with your lifestyle. We truly believe that each member of our family is to provide value, satisfaction, growth, and balance for our clients, making it our top priority here at Meal Prep Sunday Services. Thank you so much for tuning in, and we'll see you on the next video.